Weather forecast with an explanation on the power of wind, you know something's changing. Yeah.
Well, let's get into it. Okay, we were talking about this earlier. It's like, well, what kind of wind are we talking about for tomorrow? Is it the kind of wind that moves a maple leaf or the kind of wind that gives your neighbor a gift of a garbage can? You know, those empty ones that you end up with at the end of garbage day? Well, we might be seeing a few garbage cans moving down the street. If not, perhaps a few umbrellas or whatever you may have still left over from Halloween. Now, we are not expecting to be able to move people with this kind of wind. However, wind gusts at the coast could get up to about 60 miles per hour. It takes about 67 miles per hour to move people over. Now, how about cars? That's 90 miles per hour. We are not expecting 90 mile per hour winds, not that kind of storm, but certainly stormy nonetheless. Now, let's talk about some of the highlights for tomorrow. All that rain, expecting anywhere from a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch just in one day for us in Portland, possibly upwards of 1.5 inches though for the coast. Wind gusts up to 60 at the coast, and also the possibility of seeing an isolated thunderstorm right up the coastline, especially into western Washington. And in the valley, we may encounter gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour. This is Seaside right now. We've gone from some heavy downpours to nothing at all, and we're kind of in between right now. Wind has certainly picked up. That's what has changed here in the last 30 minutes. It's 56 degrees there, Seaside. Right now in Portland, we have damp roads, light rain, 52 degrees, mid 50s overnight through tomorrow morning. So our temperatures actually increasing with that southerly influence. Right now, wind out of the southeast at 15 miles per hour. So as we look at the big picture here, notice all the reds and the yellows indicating precipitation rates up to about 1 inch an hour. Zooming in closer to Portland. Again, we're getting a little bit of a break right now on the east side over to 205, but you can see out towards the West Hills, North Plains, and Hillsborough, more moderate showers are falling. Those wind speeds for tomorrow, winds gusting at upwards of 20 to 25 miles per hour right around 11 o'clock in the morning, and then increasing for the early afternoon, mostly out of the southwest throughout the day, and then finally dying down by tomorrow night. So there is a wind advisory in effect as a result until about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. For the coast, a coastal flood advisory plus a high wind warning. But why the coastal flood advisory? It's going to be during your high tide times, up to 1 foot of water above ground level possible during that time. We'll have some big waves and certainly some big wind. Okay, so again, timing on that wind for us here in the valley, anywhere between about 10 and 11 o'clock, it'll start to really increase and then quickly kind of wind down by the time we get to our evening hours. You know, along with a cooling trend in our temperatures for the next 7 days, snow levels are also dropping down to our mountain passes by Friday night, Saturday. So if you're doing some traveling, keep that in mind. But here's the deal. We get into Sunday, it gets even colder, so snow levels could actually drop into that 3,000 foot range. So some of our foothills might actually run into a little bit of snow as we get into the weekend. So that'll be something certainly to watch.
Yeah, time change and possible snow in some places. That's a lot for Sunday.
Yeah.
Thanks, Natasha.